Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have again closed positive today with a gap of opening, a positive opening. The momentum indicators on the buy side forming higher tops, higher bottom on the daily charts, which is a very positive sign for the markets. Markets is now heading towards the 78% retracement mark, which is around the previous swing high, which is around 59.70 mark. And I'll be expecting that to be the short-term targets. If we close above that, then the medium-term outlook also changes to positive, and I'll be expecting new swing highs above 6,100, 6,200 levels. On the hourly charts, we've been trading in this channel, upward sloping channel, and we have taken support thrice at these at the lower end of this channel. So I'll be expecting the upper end to be the target, which is around 5970, which is close to the previous swing high on the daily charts. The momentum indicators on the buy side, so I'll be expecting the strategy should be to buy on declines. On Bank Nifty, this downward sloping trend line has broken on the upside, forming higher tops, higher bottom. The previous negative close has been broken out today, and we have closed above the previous swing high. So I'll be expecting 13,100 to be the target in the short term for Bank Nifty. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. The support should be around 12,583 and 12,345. Resistance should be 12,930 and 13,100. Reliance has broken this downward sloping trend line on the upside. The volumes have been great, so I think this stock should be the next outperformer. Support would be around 807 and 795. And resistance is around 830 and 860. The momentum indicator on this stock is on the buy side on the hourly and daily both. So the strategy should be to buy on declines. Tata Motors, again, the downward sloping trend line has broken on the upside, forming higher tops, higher bottom on the daily charts. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal. It has taken support at 20 and 40 daily moving averages. So overall things are looking good for this stock, and I'll be expecting very good rally on the upside. Support would be around 284 and 276. The resistance would be around 300 and 312. 312 would be a short-term target, and around 340 and 335 would be a medium-term target. Thank you so much.